Guys, I can't believe he did that. I'm like gonna cry.
What is going on, you guys? So I didn't want to say it while my parents were here, but now that they're gone.
We don't live with our parents.
Yeah. No, but now that they're gone, we can finally be productive. I'm talking house whipped and nay-nay. YouTube videos made, including this one right now. Apex Legend. Let's go. So this is what we're looking at for what we need to clear. Right there, as you can see, is a mailbox.
It's just so compact.
We're gonna try to clear this. So much snow. I'm gonna add real bleeps so you think that I'm swearing. I'm gonna go do the dishes, and then I'll be out here to help Kiana. Just washed all these dishes. Let's go. Kiana thinks that it's impossible to do the mound out there and get the mailbox cleared. I'm gonna show her, okay? She doesn't know what she's talking about.
Guys, I can't believe he did that. I'm like gonna cry. I'm joking. It's prank. Guys, he just pranked me.
Dude, that's gonna be the hook of the video. So we got a big problemo. Kiana thought it would be a good idea to clear the mailbox out. I knew that was impossible. They're gonna be able to put the mail right in there. This is the dent we made. It's not very good. And then this is the shovel that got broke. This was the one good shovel we own. Not a success, just like I figured, because, you know, it's impossible out there, but let's just say it's gonna suck not having a shovel now. Alright guys, well, that's gonna be it for the snow day vlog. Stay tuned, because we're gonna shoot the cereal review right now.
Next video. Be looking for that. I hope you guys enjoyed
Make sure
this video.
to like, subscribe, comment down below.
What your favorite color is, question of the day. Also make sure to turn on post notifications by clicking
that
that
bell.
bell. So, yeah. We love you guys so much.
Especially
Bye.
you, Nathan.